Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Oracle VirtualBox on your computer. So for downloading that, first you have to open any web browser. Now search here for Oracle VirtualBox. Now go to this downloads. Now scroll and here you can see VirtualBox platform packages, Windows host if you are in Windows. So now click on it. So as you can see here, downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends. It is of 170 MBs. Will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to install it. And now just wait till the installation shows. If any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. So it is now preparing for the installation. Now click on this, I accept the terms and condition. Then click on next. Then again click on next. If you want to change the installation location, you can change from here. So I want the same location, so I will click on next. So here you can see it is a warning during the installation of Oracle VirtualBox networking, your network will be disconnected. Okay, so your network will be disconnected, so be ready for it. So it will install some dependencies. So I will click on yes. Then again I will click on next. Then click on install. So here you can see the installation process is in progress. It can take several minutes according to your internet speed and PC configuration. So this is how you can download VirtualBox on your computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.